Wondering how to succeed as an online college student? Campus is a new kind of online community college where our professors also teach at top universities like NYU, so we look to them to compare notes. Here are 6 tips for online students. Number 1, manage your time. You might feel like you have tons of time for studying and homework because you're saving so much time on your commute and walking from class to class. But that mindset can make it easy to procrastinate, overestimate the time that you have, and fall behind. As an online student, it's still important to stick to a routine and stay organized. At campus, our student success coaches help students develop these skills. Number 2, avoid distractions. You might be taking class in the same environment where you're used to relaxing, watching TV, and scrolling on your phone. Be sure to put any distractions away, including closing non-school tabs, so you can focus on your class or your studying. Something that can help with this is creating your own classroom. If you're taking class while you're laying in bed, it's probably going to be difficult to focus. Number 4, communicate with your professors. Just because you're not in person with your professors doesn't mean you can't reach out to them. At most schools, you can email, attend virtual office hours, or reach out via your school's messaging platform. And you don't need to wait until you need help to reach out. Connecting with your professors proactively is a great idea because those relationships can serve you for networking and recommendation purposes down the road. Number 5, connect with your classmates. As we say at campus, online doesn't mean alone. Make the most of being online by joining virtual study groups with people you'd never be able to meet up with in person. Use your school's group forum or discussion groups to find people with similar interests, or an online study buddy. At campus, we host weekly events and virtual club meetings, so there are endless opportunities to find community online. Finally, make sure your internet connection is stable and fast. At campus, a speed test is a part of our enrollment process, and we send a free hotspot to any student who needs it. It's a good idea to check your connection before classes start and reach out to your school's technology department for suggestions and support if you need it.